Question 21 of the JAMB 2019 Mathematics Past Question. That's your UTME CBT exam. It says a binary operation, this is defined by this, okay? If we have x star 2 is equal to 12 minus x, find the possible values of what? X, okay? So our binary operation star is defined by what? This, okay? If we have this equal to this, find the possible value of what? X. Okay, so we have here x star y is equal to what? X raised to power what? Y. So from our equation, if we have x star 2 is equal to what? 12 minus what? X. So from here, this is likened to this, so we have to perform this particular operation on this. Okay, so where this is still x and this will be what? Y. Okay, so it means that we are going to have what? X raised to power what? Y, which is what? X raised to power 2. Okay, so from here, what do we have? We have to perform this particular operation on this. All right, I hope you remember your binary operation is quite easy. You know, I think when I was also writing my WAEC, I found this quite very difficult, but it's the most easiest topic. All right, so you just need understanding. All right, just perform the way you see this particular binary operation. X star y is equal to what? X raised to power of what? Y. So wherever you see anything, this might not be x in this might not be x, this might be something different, maybe 4 star 2 or star 2. Okay, so it means that it will be what? This is x and this is y from this particular operation defined. Okay, so what do we have here? So we are going to have 4 raised to power what? 2. Okay, but from here our equation says our question says is what? X. All right, I'm just explaining this so you don't get confused. All right, so from here, what do we have? We have x raised to power of what? Y, which is what? X raised to power what? 2. Okay, from our binary operation being what? Defined as this. All right, so we have x raised to power 2 is equal to what? 12 minus what? X. So from here, we have to find the possible values of what? X. So it's a factorization. All right, okay, so from here, let's take everything to this side and equate it to 0. So we have x squared, taking a minus x to this side will give us a positive x. Taking 12 to this side will give us a negative what? 12, equal to what? 0. So from here, we have to look for the factors of 12 that will give us a 1. You can see this is a positive 1. The coefficient of this particular x is what? 1. I hope we remember factorization. Okay, so let's say for the factors of 12, we have 3, 4, we have 2, 6, we have 12 and a 1. All right, so and the best factors that would give us a 1 is 3 and 4. Okay, so we can combine 3 and 4 in a way that gives us a 1, and it's just simply doing a plus 4 minus 3, which will give us what? A positive what? 1. Okay, so from here, what do we do? Let's put in 4 and 3 into here. So we have x squared plus 4, remember your 4x minus what? 3x minus what? 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so from here, let us bring out what's common. So we have x is common from this and this. So we have x bracket x plus what? 4. Okay, minus what's common to from here and here, we have a 3 bracket x, and now this is going to change to a positive sign plus a 4. 4 in 3 in 12 will go how many times? 4 times. Then close the bracket, equal to what? 0. You know, we have to have a like term here, so we pick out x and minus for 3. And I hope you remember why this is a positive sign. If you don't, there's a video on factorization. I can't explain it here in this video, but there's a video on factorization that would explain this. Because when you open up this bracket, when I open up this bracket, minus 3 times this x will give us minus 3, and minus 3 times a positive 4 will give us what? A minus what? 12. Okay, so that's why this changes to a positive sign. Okay, so from here, let's bring this out. So we have here x minus 3 bracket what? X plus 4 equal to what? 0. So here we have x minus 3 is equal to 0, and what? X plus 4 is equal to 0. So from here, x is equal to 3, and what? X, taking a positive 4 to the other side. X is equal to what? Minus 4. So we have x is equal to 3 comma minus 4. So these are answer. And what's our right option here? Our right option is what? Option D.